What's going on, guys? It's Jamar from Lifeforabusiness.com. Today in this video, I will be discussing how to build business credit and how you can establish a Net 30 account with Office Depot. If you like the content, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also remember one thing, retirement is a number, not an age. It's a number, not an age. One of the reasons you should really think about getting a Net 30 account with Office Depot is because of their vast variety of office supplies for small and mid-sized businesses. Whether it's office furniture, coffee, electronics, such as computers or printers, even cleaning products, you can all get those products from Office Depot, and you can actually get them written off in your taxes. Now, one of the first steps to get a Net 30 account with Office Depot is we're going to create an account. So we're going to go to the top right corner of the screen and select Create an Account. Once we hit this page, we're going to go to the middle and create an online account. It's going to ask you for your phone number. So just enter a phone number. Don't worry, this is not my phone number, okay? We're going to enter a phone number and then we're going to select Next. Now we're going to be inserted into this page, the select membership type. Okay, we're going to have personal, business, and teacher. Obviously, we're going to be selecting the business option. Okay, now it's going to tell you to create your online account. You're going to have to put your email address and choose a password. After this, you'll select next and you'll have your account created. Now that we have the online account created, now we're going to go back to the home screen and go to the bottom right corner, okay? And we're going to select credit cards, all right? Credit cards. Office Depot primarily has 3 accounts that you can actually use for credit. There's the business credit account, which is basically a credit card. There's the business account, the gray one, which is the one we're actually going to be applying for. And then there's the personal credit account. We pay no attention to personal credit cards over here. Remember, we're applying for the business account. That's the gray one. That is the one that is going to allow you to have Net 30 terms, okay? You have 30 days to basically pay off whatever you purchased. And that is going to allow you to build more business credit. Now, if you actually do need to carry a balance, then you can apply for the business credit account. But right now, we're just applying for the business account, Net 30 terms, all right? Now, once you actually get to the application page, it's going to ask you the standard business questions. What is your legal business name? It's going to ask you for contact information, such as for the business owner. It's going to ask you for your business phone number. It's going to ask you for your email address. It's going to ask you for your city, your state. It's going to ask you about your business structure. It's going to ask you for your EIN, okay? It's going to ask you pretty much all of your business details, including how much your business grossed, including the year that your business was actually established, including the number of employees that you have. As far as personally guaranteeing a business credit card or a business charge card or a Net 30 account, I'm not a huge fan of it, okay? I like to have my business accounts completely separated from my personal file, all right? Now, the Office Depot has a few requirements. The revenue is irrelevant. My business does not make $5 million. The amount of employees is irrelevant. But I will say this, the amount of years your business was actually incorporated is extremely important, okay? They're very firm when it comes to the 3-year mark. Now, the business that I chose to apply for this card was less than 3 years. That was the reason why I actually was declined for this card. I spoke to a representative online. She explained this to me. She asked me to personally guarantee this card. I told her no, thank you. So what I did was I applied for this card using an older business that I have. And I was actually able to get this card without a personal guarantee, okay? When you are applying for this card, make sure that your business has been incorporated for at least 3 years, but also make sure that business has a few trade lines before you actually apply for this card. Make sure get you some gas cards, make sure you have some things reporting before you actually apply for this card. This is not a card that you can just easily get from the beginning standpoint, okay? You want to make sure you have a few trade lines first before you apply for this card, and you have a certain amount of years incorporated. Yeah, I really appreciate you guys watching this video towards the end. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. I appreciate every single one of my subscribers, okay? Remember, our goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year, all right? Make sure you check out the Created Business Credit playlist, okay? We're gonna be updating that weekly. So every week, I'm gonna try to throw a video in there so you guys can get as much content as possible, all right? December 23rd, 2023. That is the date that I set for myself to retire, okay? Because remember, guys, retirement is a number, not an age. It's a number, not an age. Think big, man. Stop thinking small. And if you surround yourself with small people, what does that make you? Stay creative, stay positive. I'm out.